In primetime news this evening, under government quarantine, dancehall entertainer Elephant Man arrested and charged with a number of offenses. World Health Organization warns that the coronavirus pandemic is accelerating. And an 8-year-old among 5 persons shot in Flanker, Montego Bay.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, uncertainty hovers over the business community due to COVID-19. Vashon Brown will have the details in the business day.
And COVID-19 and the Olympics. Is it on? Is it off? Jordan Ford will give us the latest on that decision in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what have you been doing to entertain yourself and family at home during the COVID-19 crisis?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.